There we go. That should do the trick. Now I just need to spin around the wheel, and then TNT Canyon should go on. There we go, and it's starting to light on. Oh, come on! Oh, that worked, that plan. I don't think this is gonna work again. At least I got rid of that creeper. Hi, what are you doing here, Alex? I was just looking for that sound of explosion. What was that? Oh, it was just me. I was getting rid of that creeper. Well, I gotta get going now, okay? Bye, Steve. Bye, Alex. I should get inside my house. It's really rainy. 2 hours later. You iron pickaxe. Something about the rain. It's really hard. What's that sound? Probably nothing. Huh? What was that? Thing. Ow. I think I cracked my feet now. You're a poet and you never even know it. What do you mean? You said ow, ow, ow. Now I think I cracked my foot now. Doesn't that rhyme? Do you know what rhyme means? Does it mean, cracking your foot? Hey, I got a surprise for you. What? Potato, you could say.